Grains and cattle all in negative territory on Friday. Sean Hackett with Hackett Financial Advisors is in with analysis. All right, soybeans crashed on Friday and, of course, kind of pulled down the rest of the complex. But are we on to trading South American weather, or what tanked that market?
Well, I mean, obviously we had that big short covering rally when we started getting Chinese purchases. We've traded that, and the reality is we're now looking at a very significant crop potential coming out of Brazil. Weather's been fantastic, especially here in December. They're going to be harvesting and bringing those fresh supplies in the month of March, and I just don't think we're going to be able to trade ourselves divorced from Brazilian prices. And Brazilian prices, in my opinion, should be heading lower as they try to digest another large crop and having to move that supply to China at a time that we want China to buy from us. Just seems to me that the best news on demand is behind us for now.
As we start a new week, do soybeans continue technically to trend lower, and will that pull the rest of the complex with?
I kind of feel like wheat and corn are trading a different fundamental set. I don't think we need to trade down with soybeans. I mean, if you recall, soybeans, had a huge rally and it didn't really drag wheat and corn up too much. So I really don't think so. I think we can see soybeans lose another 20 cents, and I don't think it necessarily means that wheat and corn need to follow suit. I think we actually can see prices for corn specifically go higher into January, and what I think is going to be a pretty positive lowering of U.S. yields in the January USDA report, along with demand that continues to be strong and continues to be not dependent on China demand.
And cattle market setting back on Friday. That market was overbought, probably due for a correction. But do you think we can keep going higher here?
Not a whole lot higher. I have a 235 April target, as a resistance area.
Thanks so much. That's Sean Hackett with Hackett Financial Advisors and Markets Now.